Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? So I'm back again with another lesson of GK, and today we are going to do page 49 of our GK book, and it has the topic Classical Dances of India. So you know about the classical dances that have been performed through centuries and years and decades in different states of the country. Yes, so we are going to learn about these classical dances. Okay, so should we begin? Let's start. So students, have you taken out page 49 of your GK book with this topic, Classical Dances of India? Good. So we start by writing down the date. And what's the date today? It is 15.12.20, 15th of December. Okay, so we write down the date on the top left corner. Like this. Right? So now we are going to match the Indian dance forms with the states they belong to. Okay, so these dances have been performed since generations in these states. Okay, so let's look at the first picture. Yeah, can you see this lady dancing? And it's the Kuchipudi dance. So, to which state does the Kuchipudi dance belong? Let's see the options. A is Tamil Nadu, B is Andhra Pradesh, C Odisha, D Kerala, E Manipur, F Uttar Pradesh. So out of these, which is the correct answer? Yes, it is B option, Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the dance of Andhra Pradesh. So we are going to match this first picture with option B. Okay, you can either draw a line or you can write the number in front of the alphabet B. Number 1. Like this. Yes. Or if you want, you can draw a line from here till here. Done? Great. Now we move to the second picture. Can you see this picture? I'm sure you've seen this dance. It's called the Kathakali dance. And it is performed in which state? Yes, it is option D, Kerala. So it's traditionally performed in Kerala, Kathakali. Okay, it is the classical dance of Kerala. So we are going to match this picture with the option D, Kerala, like this. Done? Great. So now we move to picture number 3. Can you see this lady performing this graceful dance? It's called the Kathak, and this dance is traditionally performed in which state? Yeah, it is Uttar Pradesh. Our own state is famous for the Kathak dance. Yes, so we are going to match this picture with option F, Uttar Pradesh. Like this. Done? Great. So now we move to the fourth picture. And this is the Manipuri dance. Have you seen the Manipuri dance being performed? It's so graceful. So nice to see. Yes. So it's performed in which state? Yeah, it is the classical dance of Manipur state. And that is why its name is also Manipuri. Okay. So we are going to match option E with this picture 4. Okay, like this. Done? Very good. So now we go to picture number 5. And which dance is this? It is Odissi dance. So Odissi is the classical dance of which state? Yes, as the name suggests, the name of the state is Odisha. Yes, Odissi is traditionally performed in Odisha. So we are going to match this picture number 5 with option C, like this. Done? Very good. So now the last dance in picture number 6 is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the classical dance belonging to Tamil Nadu. Yes, the Tamil Nadu state. So we are going to match this picture with the Tamil Nadu. The option A, like this. Done? Great, good job. So you've learnt about so many dance forms now? Yes. So now we read the tidbits also. Mohiniyattam, the classical dance form from Kerala, is performed by women to honor Lord Vishnu. The music for performing Mohiniyattam is played on the veena and mridangam. So can you see this lady wearing this traditional dress and performing the Mohiniyattam dance? That also belongs to Kerala, like this Kathakali. So, will you remember all these dance forms? Yes? Very good. So, that's all for now. Bye-bye.